vlog! Rise and shine. So today I am heading down to Deal to go for a little walk along the beach yet again. I'm actually going to do a little workout before we start the day. This is all down to a friend of mine who told me to get up at 11 o'clock. I got up at 11:30, and they are making me do a workout. I don't want to let them down, so I gotta do it. I'm gonna do a whole 7 minutes of abs, and then you never know, I might do a little workout de la beauté. I'm gonna go get on with that and then have a shower, and then I'm gonna head off. Once again, I've had to come into my parents' room because I can't actually see my floor. I wouldn't actually be able to do a workout in there. But these are the bands that I've got that are so good for bum and leg workouts. I don't know why I'm chatting like I'm some kind of fitness freak. Well, I actually used to be, but it all went downhill during lockdown. So there's loads of different elasticities, is that the word? Like strengths. This one's the hardest, I've not gone to this one yet. Got these from Santa for Christmas. Big up Santa. Let's get into it. So I just thought I'd do a little workout outfit of the day. It's got this little sports bra top kind of thing from, actually from Sweaty Betty. Got that for Christmas. Gymshark leggings, obviously. And yeah, that's what we got for today. Just want you guys to know that this is literally my first workout in like 6 months, so no judgment please. I love you all, and your body like goes through changes in life and it's never going to be exactly what you want it to be. So just love yourself and live life. Definitely a lot easier said than done. We've just got to try and be happy in our own skin, and like a friend said to me yesterday, our body carries us through life and it gets us through, so we just got to love it when it has its ups and downs, you know. This has turned into a little speech from me. I want you all to appreciate yourselves because everybody is amazing. And so I'm doing an intense 7-minute ab workout.
Oh, I need some moisturiser. Have you started?
No. Simon.
For once, I'll tell you this, the biggest secret for me is consistency. And if it wasn't, I'll link that at the end of the video as well.
Okay, this way to start.
2, 1.
Yeah, right, head the opposite way. Now here's the key. If you right again.
Oh, I'm not fit enough for this.
2, 1.
Oh my god. God, I need to get fit again.
Thing is, you can see the other side of it. 60 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, your glutes here. The rhythm.
Oh my.
30 seconds.
3, 2.
I don't like this.
2. Arms out. This is a 30-second rest.
Oh my god, I'm nearly done.
3, 2, 1. I'm done.
Minutes at a time. 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes.
Stop that. need to get fit again. This is not okay. The sweat, I'm sweating. Now for the booty. For these ones, I actually just follow what came in the packet bag thing. They are very good. Should I go for the medium or the easy today? I'm feeling strong. Lateral walking. This hurts. Oh, these are a killer. I feel like my dog. I'm sweating. Normally, I say normally, oh my god, I'm sweating. I would go through all of that again, but no thank you, not in the mood. So we'll pop these away for a rainy day. Go pop myself in the shower. Workout is done for today. Why am I shaking? I'm sure you'll all be devastated to hear I actually had my daily nosebleed in the shower today. I'm really sorry guys, you didn't get to see it. What is happening? I'm not cold. I'm now gonna go and dry my hair. Oh, we can't forget the leave-in conditioner. It's actually a really nice day out there today. Blue skies, I'm basically in Hawaii. I'm not shivering, I don't know why I'm shaking. But we roll. Going to go and dry my hair. You'll all be really sad to know that I'm still shaking. What is going on with me? So I'm probably gonna die. Jokes. Today I am going to deal for my daily exercise. We might be shaking. Going for a little cycle ride along the seafront. I do feel quite awake after my workout and my shower. I don't think I'm gonna take my little best friend today because if we're cycling, well, number one, she's gonna walk right now, and number two, if we're cycling, then people scary, she might get run over, so I'm not gonna risk it. Why am I shaking? I'm feeling Black Cat today. Black Cat is the one for today. Oh, didn't sneeze. I'm actually gonna take it off because I'm actually really hot. Just waiting for my guest of today to reply. I need it in the next 5 minutes if you're up for it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hi everyone, I'm Halsey, Arnold's friend. Am I pointing the right way?
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed the vlog and the video, whatever video it is. I love it and I love you. Bye now.
Bye, Halsey!
I'm not going to see Ben's, but I have done some fitness.
Well done.
Yep, got up, did a class, set my alarm.
I set an alarm today.
9 o'clock on a Sunday morning after 14-hour shifts and talking to you till 2 o'clock in the morning. Then I cleaned the garage out and made a little rack of dumbbells and weights. Got it all nicely organised. And then I just done a 5k walk. I'll probably just make a cake instead.
Yeah! What cake?
I might just make a big fat Victoria sponge.
Eat your lunch.
It's horrible.
Yep.
Ow, got
Outfit today, this top from Bershka and just some skinny Topshop jeans. Pretty standard stuff. I can't forget scarf and hat because it's going to be chilly willy.
Hello, what's up? This is Ella's vlog. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like and turn notifications on.
I feel so lonely without Amber. No one to talk to. Missing my little crumpler. I am heading over to Deal now to meet my bestie. So catch you guys when we get there. I'm a vlogger now, Pete.
Are you?
Yep.
I do that.
you. Hello everybody, this is Benta, the star of the show today. Obviously, we need a hat. That's better, now you can actually be in the video. Oh, you look so nice. Okay, ready to go?
Have you? I don't even know. Have you tried this one yet?
No, what if I don't fit on it?
I think I'm filming.
We're walking to the fair in our special underwear. Think we're drunk.
Oh, this is so risky.
That was really wobbly. Oh my god, you can get green wraps.
Oh, no, I'm thinking the courgette
Soup.
the soup, the one that your mum makes.
Yeah.
But I can't make that. That was rubbish. How much did I have to pay you to jump in the sea? But right now, how much? Nothing.
It's like Ella Wilson.
Just getting a Polaroid taken, so I'm just gonna act like I'm just chilling. Not Polaroid. What is it? Disposable. Get down.
Just so funny. Really making the ladies laugh with that one. I'm not doing that. So, oh, there's someone I work with. It's really pretty out. That's the most prettiest thing here.
I can't get out of the
I decided to take my hat off because
sticky situation.
it was really hot in my head.
Had to do a little stop off on the way home for some rosé, some broccoli, and I thought I'd pick myself up some wild berry drops, which look quite nice. I do like a boiled sweet.
Hi there, I thought you might want a video of my cake making today, Els, just to add to your video. So that's what I'm making. I shall keep you posted.
So you want one fudge?
Yeah.
Okay, okie dokie. You want a second?
Yeah.
How
How did you do that? How have you made that? Did you Google it?
No.
You just randomly came up with that? What? That is amazing. So that was it for today. Sorry I haven't got like an ending, but that's pretty much my day done with. Had a lovely day. Lovely little catch up. Did my first workout in a very, very long time, so quite pleased about that. So all in all, it was alright, you know. Hope you all had a wonderful day. I will get back to you guys with another video later on. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!